Hi, everybody. I'm Congresswoman Suzanne Bonamici. October is Manufacturing Month. It's a time we celebrate the manufacturing trades by connecting young people like you with skilled tradespeople right here in Oregon. I'm pleased to join you virtually to recognize the skilled Oregonians in the trades and to encourage you to consider a career in manufacturing. Manufacturing will need 4 million high skilled, high tech, and highly paid employees over the next decade. Many of these jobs don't require a college degree, but they do require access to the right skills training, and up to half of them could go unfilled. Now, I've long been a champion for OMIC because it's a place where students, educators, community leaders, and manufacturers come from the region, state, and the world to do advanced applied research. And it's also a place where students like you can develop the skills you need for a career in advanced manufacturing. In fact, I just toured the new PCC OMIC Training Center. Students are learning to be designers, machinists, welders, technicians, and they're going to be trained in advanced technologies like automation, robotics, and additive manufacturing. The high-tech and beautiful new PCC OMIC Training Center is impressive. It's been a really difficult year and a half, but these are also exciting times for manufacturing in our region. And as we work to rebuild the economy, we need resilient craftspeople who know how to innovate and respond to a changing world. I can't wait to see what you accomplish. So thank you so much for participating in Manufacturing Month, and I wish you the very best in whatever path you choose. Take care.